Today's lecture is about the design process and how it's used to develop innovative products. Companies say it's the best way to stay focused and on schedule. I will introduce this 5-step process using the example of mobile phone development from an electronics company. This is the design process in the defined state. The electronic company to define the idea for a better phone. What I mean by this is it needs to figure out the problem with its own phone so that it could decide how to create its new product. So the company did market research to figure out the problem. The company discovered that people wanted more colorful phones. Excuse me, that came out wrong. What I meant to say were people wanted phones that were more unique, one that they feel a personal connection with. With that information, the company then moved on the next step, the idea state. This is when product developers start to come up with new ideas for new product. They can also begin to think about how the new product will be marketed. The electronic company came up with a number of ideas and eventually decided to make its phone more colorful to meet the need of consumers. Next comes the prototype stage. At this point, you don't have to create a fully functioning product to try out your idea. In other words, you can make a simple prototype that lets consumers see a new feature or product. In the case of the electronic company, instead of real mobile phone, it creates small boxes in many different colors. It gave the box the 2,000 of people and then asked which color people wanted their own phone to be. The company listened to preferences of its customers, the feedback stage. During this stage, a company gets to know its customer preferences, that is the thing the customer like. Through feedback on a prototype for the electronic company, the product developer figured out which color people like most. Lastly, the develop stage. Here the company used the feedback to design the product according to consumer preferences. This is when a company begin to actually make the product. This whole process can be repeated many times before a product is sold.